Hey everyone, welcome to 2 Minutes Tuesday with Bala. This week we are going to look into Azure App Services. Let's get started. So what exactly is Azure App Services? So Azure App Services is nothing but a fully managed hosting service provided by Microsoft, specifically used for hosting your web apps and APIs that could be used for your mobile apps or any other microservices. Basically, it's used with a high availability, 99.95 SLA. That's pretty much like a 4-minute downtime per day or something like that. It's very, very low. It has a built-in compliance and security for your web application. So let's look at the pricing tier. So we do have 3 different pricing tiers. They are specifically targeted with shared, dedicated, and isolated. And if you go into shared, there is a free and shared tiers. Basically, shared is nothing but the infrastructure is being shared between different applications, more like a CPU, and the memory is being shared between different applications of different customers. So you don't get a dedicated infrastructure, but the cost wise is much cheaper. So if you're having any dev instances or low cost instances, probably you can throw it in the shared tier. Moving on to the next one is a dedicated tier, which you are specifically having, and it's dedicated to your application, and then you can have multiple applications running on those tiers. In that, they have a basic, standard, and a premium tier. And then the next one is isolated. When you have a huge workload, typically you would use isolated tiers. So why would I use an Azure App Services? So the first one foremost thing is it does support multiple languages, basically .NET, Java, Python, Ruby, or NodeJS, like multiple other applications. And then it also has like 2 different operating system. You can either host it with Windows or you can host it with Linux operating system. Authentication, built-in authentication with the web apps, which comes with like Azure AD, Google, Facebook, or OpenID related authentications. Next one, it's a secure and scalable. When you say security, built-in security and compliance is there, and you can also set it with the virtual network and then have it more secured. And moving on to the scalability, you have like it can be scaled vertically or horizontally, which means you can do multiple apps or you can scale the app service plans, either of them. The managed patches and updates. So the patches and for the operating system are all automatically taken care and managed by Microsoft without much of a downtime that for your applications. So it is DevOps optimized. By default, it supports Azure DevOps, GitHub, BitBucket, or SVN, or any other source control. Thank you again for watching. That's all for this week. I'll see you again next week with another topic. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks again.